Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. So today we are making some milk buns because I will be using just milk and no water, liquid milk. These tasted so good. Trust me, you want to try making some. So for the ingredients, we'll be using some liquid milk. Then you add in some yeast and mix it very well. Then you go in with your flour and your sugar and your vanilla extract for some flavor. All the ingredients will be in the description box, and that is the consistency you want. Then you just go ahead and wrap it up and put it in a warm place. It will take about an hour if you are in a warm environment. If not, an hour 30 minutes will be just fine. So you just go ahead and fry it in hot oil. I actually tripled the quantity of the measurement which you see in the description box because I have a full household. So if you want to use it for parties or you have a full household like me, you can just go ahead and double the quantity as necessary. You can see it's looking golden brown, and I love the crispiness and a bit of crunch that comes with it. It tasted so good. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and please do like and share. God bless you, and see you in my next video, my next recipe. Ciao ciao.